Hi, my name is Dena Serrato, garden coach for English Gardens. Here is my gardening quick tip. There are 4 essential digging tools that every gardener should own. The first is a shovel. A good shovel has a long, strong handle, a step so you can push it down with your foot, a curved, wide blade, and a rounded tip. The blade is at an angle to the handle. It is used for scooping, digging, and working soil amendments into the soil. The next tool is a spade. A spade is a type of shovel with a long handle, a step, and a flat blade that is more or less in line with the handle. The tip can be rounded, but is more commonly squared off. A spade is useful for edging, borders, and digging deep vertical holes. It is great for planting and transplanting smaller plants and can be used for dividing perennials. The last long-handled tool is a digging fork. It has 4 tines instead of a blade. It is great for turning soil, loosening compacted heavy clay, and rocky soil. It can also be used for adding soil amendments. It does a great job when transplanting plants with large fibrous root systems, such as ornamental grasses. The last essential tool is a short-handled trowel. A trowel is useful when planting or transplanting small plants, planting individual bulbs, and can also be used as a weeder. Most trowels have a rounded tip, but some can have a sharp tip and teeth on the blade to help cut through roots. I'm Dena Serrato, helping make your life beautiful by making gardening easier.